you go.
Make sure they put it on there.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry I've been gone for a while, but we're back and we're doing some more hair videos. My guest is Cameron, and we're gonna put a nice little lace front wig on him, so enjoy the process. I'm using Got2b gel as adhesive for today's installment. Once tacky, you can place the wig on the head. Ooh, that's a lot of hair. Time to now fix the lace because sometimes it starts to fold in on itself. Such determination on my face. This lace was really hard to unfold. Work on them baby hairs to hide any kind of demarcation and stuff like that. And always take a shot when you're feeling fabulous. We wanted to go for more kind of dramatic baby hairs. Normally I'll cut them short, but I kind of wanted to just play and see what we can create with these long hairs. Am I alone?